Welcome to this video on the 3 laws of attraction, which can help you manifest your dreams and achieve success in all areas of your life. In this video, we'll cover the key principles of the laws of attraction, and we'll provide you with actionable steps to implement these principles in your daily life. Law of attraction number 1. Like attracts like. The first law of attraction is that like attracts like. This means that you attract into your life the things that you focus on the most. If you focus on negative thoughts and emotions, you'll attract negative experiences into your life. On the other hand, if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you'll attract positive experiences. To implement this law in your daily life, focus on positive thoughts and emotions. Practice gratitude by listing things you're grateful for each day. Surround yourself with positive people and engage in activities that bring you joy. Law of attraction number 2. Everything is energy. The second law of attraction is that everything is energy. This means that everything in the universe, including your thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy. The energy that you put out into the universe will attract similar energy back to you. To implement this law in your daily life, become aware of your energy. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions and strive to keep them positive. Practice meditation or other mindfulness exercises to help you stay centered and focused on positive energy. Law of attraction number 3. Focus on the end result. The third law of attraction is to focus on the end result. This means that you should focus on the outcome that you want, rather than the obstacles that may stand in your way. When you focus on the end result, you'll attract the resources and opportunities that you need to achieve your goal. To implement this law in your daily life, visualize the end result that you want to achieve. Focus on the feelings that you'll experience when you achieve your goal. Take action towards your goal every day, and trust that the universe will provide the resources and opportunities that you need to succeed. In conclusion, by following these 3 laws of attraction, you can manifest your dreams and achieve success in all areas of your life. Remember to focus on positive thoughts and emotions, be aware of your energy, and focus on the end result. With these actionable steps, you can attract the success and abundance that you desire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.